Hi all, this is Rat, and today's episode features, as you can probably tell, working with the drained canal. That was the first item we picked out. It was just a tire, which, as many of you know, is not magnetic. Which brings us to another point. Today we're mainly using the hook, and even though we could have used the magnet on this here scooter, I was more inclined to use the hook because when you throw a magnet and it hits a hard surface, like all those rocks and mud, it's more inclined to break. It doesn't have the water to break its fall. Those are some Christmas lights. And we gotta bring the Christmas lights down. We're gonna try to just keep a little bit of a pile going here. Try to keep everything together. Drape the Christmas lights over the scooter handle. Now, my theory was that we wouldn't have to worry about the hook breaking, which was only partially true. We just didn't have to worry about it breaking as much. I was able to pull up that rack pretty easily. But slowly throughout the course of this episode, those three teeth on the side of the rat retriever, another bike tire, began to give way because I have to keep folding them, bending them. And as I do that, they're just more inclined to break off. Another bike tire. Now I've edited out all the times where I wasn't able to bring anything up. You would think it's funny that here it is, the same canal where a few episodes I was able to pull up not gone after not gone after not gone. And here it's just a case of me missing things. That's a scooter, another scooter. But I've edited out all those. So this is just a trick. I can see plenty of things down there. It's just a matter of aiming for them, hitting them from the right angle. And that takes practice. There's another scooter. This was a really good day for throwing things. I often imagine that the reason the scooters end up, and there's a crutch, hallelujah, that person was healed apparently. But I often imagine that the reason all these scooters, yeah, there we go. There's one of the teeth from the grappling hook. So that grappling hook is down to just the thick side and one prong. And yet it's still able to pull up bikes. So let me try again to say the reason I imagine all the scooters are in there is that people have contests to see how far they can throw them. It's not a matter of people trying to get away on these things. It's not a matter of people doing really cool stunts and landing in the water and swimming out. There's another bike. There's really no reason for any body of water to have so many razor scooters in it. Now here I am. I did find there is still one small stream of water going down the middle. So what I did was I slowly lowered the magnet in. I didn't throw it in like you'll see me do in a lot of the other videos. And there's a couple of techniques you can use. Obviously, if you're lowering the magnet down, it's only going to go straight down. So what you want to do is hold it out at about an arm's length and then swing it back and forth and then keep lowering it while it's swinging it, and that'll give it a bigger arc to go out for the items that are further away from the bridge. And unless I accidentally edited it out, you'll see that technique used later on as well. Right now I'm trying to get this scooter out and I've dropped it. The issue I had there is that the handlebars were hitting the underside of the bridge. Now the nice thing about this bridge is that it's completely stone, so that we don't have to worry about sticking to the girders or anything. And the cool thing about that pickup is, if you notice, the magnet wasn't really involved. The magnet was hanging off to the side. Alright, so here's me using that technique I was telling you about. But on that last catch, the magnet was off to the side, and it was actually the rope that we ended up doing the work with. And here we are picking out another bike. And here we are picking up, I think, another crutch. So that's two people who are apparently healed. I can't imagine why else anybody would throw crutches into a canal unless, they were healed. And there's a little shopping cart. Gotta put that aside so it's not blocking anybody's way. And I think this might be the final razor scooter of the day. There's still a few more down there for me to get, but I was running out of time on the morning that we shot this. And that's just a random heavy pipe. I'm not sure what its purpose was. It could have been from the back of a pickup truck or something, but it seemed like it was too heavy to be a post. Oh, okay, yep, there's another razor scooter. If you work for the razor scooter, please come up with the generation of those things that float. That would help me out a lot. I'm not saying you have to make them inflatable, but if you can make them that float, that'd be cool. One more scooter. Thank you for watching.